Hello there, guys. Hope you had a good spring break. I'm sure it wasn't as great as you expected it to be. Wish we were back in school, then I think we would have enjoyed it a little more. So, I've got a lot of documents coming out this week. There's some more equation work for you to do. I've added again 2 examples of problems that you'll be working on with step-by-step explanation of how to solve them. I believe there's 14 problems on the paper. I've also included again an answer key so you can check your work. It won't help you to just write the answers down. You need to be able to actually solve the equations. Starting this week, you're going to have to be showing that you are doing some work and being accountable for this. So, for your assessment for math, you will need to either write down or type or just email me. You could take a picture of your work, but there is the last problem on the page. You will need to write explanation of how you solved it, step by step. This isn't, you can solve it if you want, but you have to write in words, step by step, how you solved the last problem on the page. I believe it's number 14. It's in the written directions too, is one of the documents. So then for science, there is a packet on working with atoms, revisiting the periodic table. So hopefully it will be very clear on how to do it. You will see the last 2 pages says on it that it isn't the assessment. So again, with those 2 pages, you'll either need to take pictures of them and send them to me, or you could just scan them and send them to me. If you need to send them on a hard copy, there will be some instruction coming out on how to do that. The preference is that you can do this electronically, but there will be a way, if you need to turn in the hard copies, that you'll be able to do that. It's just going to be that I will need to be wearing a mask and gloves and other safety equipment so that we don't spread germs around. But it will work that way if you need to do it that way. There is also a page for you 8th graders in robotics. There is an explanation of the project. Each week, you will have to be doing another piece of the project. The project will take several weeks, but each week you need to be putting in at least 40 minutes of work on the project. I also have included, again, the Freckle, how to log on. I am watching that. I can see who is doing work, who is making attempts. So please do that. We're in 4th quarter now, and we need to be collecting some grades so you can earn your 4th quarter grade and we can get a semester grade. Sadly, we won't be coming back this year. I have talked with the person at Thousand Trails, and we have kept in mind that possibly in September we will do this trip. The weather should still be nice, and my hope is that we'll be able to go to Thousand Trails for that reward in September. So remember, email me if you need to, if you have any questions or concerns, or you just want to talk, send me an email. I check my email all the time. You're also going to be getting an invite to either using Google Communication or Zoom, where we can see each other and talk to each other and get help and whatever we find we need to do on there. So you will be getting that. You can use either your computer, you could use your phone, whatever you have that will work. So I'm hoping at least some of you get on. I'd love to see you, hear from you, see that you're doing fine. I miss you guys. Remember, email me if you have any questions. Talk to you later. Have a good week. Bye.